The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 emulate Pixel Fold's dual-screen translation mode.
Samsung has aggressively emphasized translation across its Galaxy AI suite, and it seems that the firm is developing a new translation option that will take use of both screens on its next Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 models. And if this seems familiar, it's because Google accomplished it first with the Pixel Fold. Last year, Google released a new translate function dubbed Interpreter Mode on the Pixel Fold, allowing users to translate text and speech via the primary display and see the result on the outer display.
Users may effectively hold a genuine two-way conversation without having to turn their phones around. It's a great concept, and Samsung seemed to approve.
Leaked marketing materials shared by Evan Blass in an emailed newsletter show an update to Samsung's Interpreter Mode, which debuted on the Galaxy S24 series. The update enables two-way discussions to appear on both the inner and outer screens of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, with translations provided to the other user. Samsung's brochures and footnotes indicate that this function only works in flex mode, unlike the Pixels, which only needs the device to be unfurled, and that it is only available in conversation mode.
Samsung plans to formally unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 on July 10, along with the same Galaxy AI capabilities featured on the Galaxy S24 series.
Reservations for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 are now available on Samsung.com, with a $50 credit for each reservation and possible savings of up to $1,500. Reservations are absolutely free, with no commitment to purchase the device. Signing up also enters you into a $5,000 Samsung credit prize.
Samsung welcomes Galaxy lovers to have unprecedented experiences with their new foldable phones.
Aside from hardware, the new Galaxy AI is the centerpiece of the Unpacked event.
Samsung will most likely release several new AI capabilities to compete with Apple's mobile and on-device AI.
The new goods will also have considerable design modifications, which many customers have requested.
Finally, what are your thoughts about it?
So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.